Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Ibtahaj and you are watching MIK TV. I just received my parcel today in my mail and I'm super excited to unbox it because it's Redragon Inquisitor M716 mouse with programmable buttons and 16.1 million of colors to choose from its software. So I'm super excited to unbox it. Just unwrap this from this delivery package and pull this off. Oh my god, look at this. What a stunning mouse this is looking. I don't think my camera is doing justify to show the box properly, but carry on to this. On the back side of the mouse we have some specification written like the DPI. It is 10,000 DPI. It has 7 programmable buttons with 8 button is the switch mode, and it has 20 million clicks and just 5 million clicks and braided cable and just stuff like this written. Seal is looking good intact. On the front we have the specification like braided cable, powerful driver, 8 buttons and 10,000 DPI. It has 2 side buttons with 2 left right button and 2 DPI selecting button and 1 under wheel button, and the 8th one is switch mode button. It also has a gold plated USB 2.0 port and a braided cable. So just from the side is nothing special here, I have already told you. So let's pull this peel off and see what else we get inside the box. The sticker here is nicely intact. I think I have to go and bring my knife for it because it is not opening. Yeah, just wait a minute, I will go and grab my knife. Yeah, I am here with my knife and let's try to open it up without killing someone or damaging mouse. Slowly and steady win the race, obviously. So the now seal has been cut, and just set the knife aside and pull this off to see this beauty. And then are you guys ready? 1, 2 and 3. The box is stuck it somewhere. Yeah, look at this. I am again saying my camera is not doing justice with the pictures and video quality of this mouse because I am making this by my mobile, but you have to bear this one. So on the very first side we have a mouse. Oh my god, this is a very good quality mouse with a ziplock which have some paperwork, CD and stickers for the bottom. Let me just pull this box aside and show you what else we get in the ziplock. So in ziplock we have a user manual, and like everyone else I don't wanna read this. It has some instruction written in all the languages including English, Chinese, Japanese, German, French, Spanish, etc. Then we have these rubber pads. These rubber pads are extra rubber pads that are for the mouse bottom. If these are and any of these are just became fade off or torn off by the use, so we can replace it. That's a nice move. And then we have a driver CD. This is the CD through which we can install a software and control the lightning methods and DPI and sensitivity and all kind of stuff from this. I will do a separate video to show you guys how you can change all the settings of this, so stay tuned for that. But for now just put this aside and let's move on to our star of the show, which is Redragon Inquisitor M716. Let me just pull my mouse pad and put it on here because I don't want to scratch it, my little baby beauty. So this is it, the mouse. It feels so much astonishing and premium looking. It is a matte finish type of it. It is a good quality plastic. It is made of completely plastic, no aluminum kind of thing there, but the plastic is a very good quality. On the bottom we have 10,000 dpi and the name Inquisitor, model number M716. And nothing else but a switch button. This is a switch button through which you can change your profile because it can save up to 5 profiles a day at a time, and you can also change it with your software, which I will show you in the next video. So buttons are very clicky. The mouse is made up of a great quality. There's not a single thing that you can see that this mouse is cheap, and its cable is also a red and black with a braided cable. This cable will not gonna bend easily. Nice quality, good cable. Also has a gold plated 2.0 USB. So it's a great mouse. I have this in my hand and I'm just completely loving it. I'm just can't express you how I feel it. And now I plugged it into my laptop and you can see this is the beauty. The screen is flickering, but in the real life the transition of the lights are as smooth as you apply butter on the slice. My camera is not showing justice to showing these colors. Look at this is beauty, a pure class. These buttons for DPI, so red is for 200, blue, then blue for 500, then green for 2000, then 5000, then 10,000 DPI. So 10,000 is really very fast for me. The 2000 was good enough because it's normal. So this is one of the best mouse that I have seen so far in the market. I was hunting for this mouse and now finally I managed to get my hands on this mouse and I'm just completely loving it. I hope you guys also enjoying. Please, thanks for watching this video. If you please like this video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the software video. Thanks for watching.